one of the first steps to making money is learning how to save it. A lot of times when people ask me how to make money, I usually point out that they're very bad at saving money. So they make $200, they spend $100 on shoes, now they've got $100, and they spend 50 of that on what, like a shirt or something, you know? And this is one of the biggest things, the biggest mistakes I see young people make, is they spend money on things that they do not need. To make money, you need to learn how to save it, because in the long run, if you're just spending all your money, you're never gonna gain more money. You're just gonna always have a certain amount, and you're always gonna spend it, and you're always gonna wonder why you're not making that money. So with these people, I usually tell them, save 20% of what you earn and then spend the rest, because a lot of these people like things. And so if you give them a certain amount that they need to set apart, and this is not fluctuating, you need to set aside 20% of what you earn into a bank account that you don't look at. Or maybe you want to make money faster, put 50% away, put 75% away, put 30% away. I don't care, but this is the way you make money. Don't spend money on the things you do not need. And this is a very broad concept, and I kind of hate telling people to do this, because you feel like you do need something. You need those shoes or that shirt or that pair of pants that everyone has. But in the long run, how long is that gonna suit you? So here is something that I want you guys to try out, and I want you guys to try this out for as long as you can. If you want something, give it 2 weeks. And this is what I do whenever I want something, and it stops me from buying the things I don't need and saves me a lot of money. So if I want a pair of shoes, or I want the new iPhone, or I want a MacBook, or I want a drone, or whatever I want to spend my money on, I will think 2 weeks about that product, about owning that product, and if after that 2 weeks is done and I still want that product, then I can confidently buy it, knowing that it will serve me for the next year, the next 2 years. These are things that you need to be thinking about if you want to make a big enough income to start creating passive cash flow. Without saving, you cannot make. So just keep that in mind. I really wanted to pass this piece of knowledge on to you guys, and I hope you have a great day. This is episode 2 of Young Success, and I'll see you tomorrow.